Okay, so if you want to know how you can download Fortnite on your iOS device right now inside the EU, then you have come to the right video. So let's get straight to the point. In order to download this, you want to go over to fortnite.com/download and it will redirect you to stores.epicgames.com. Make sure that you are on Safari because no other web browser currently supports sideloading on iOS. When you are on this website, you just simply want to go ahead and click on Get It on iOS with the Epic Game Store. Then it will take you to this website. After that, you want to go ahead and click on Install. And I have already done this process before, so I don't really have to do any more verification, and I go straight to this where I can install App Marketplace. But for you, you're going to get a pop-up that says that your settings on your iPhone device do not allow this. So in order to fix that, you simply want to head over to your settings and you want to go ahead and click on allow apps from, and presumably it's going to say Epic Game Store. And then it will take you to a page like this where it says that you're trying to install something from this company, and you simply want to go ahead and click on allow. After that, you want to return to this website and it might not have the install button anymore. So you simply want to go ahead and reload this page here and the install button will pop up again, and simply go ahead and click on it. When you do click on it, right here, it's going to load for a little bit and then it's going to give you this thing right here. And you simply want to go ahead and click on Install App Marketplace. It might ask for your Face ID, so simply go ahead and verify with that. And then you will see Epic Game Store on your home screen. When you come right into here, it might tell you to accept some things, so just go ahead and click on accept there. And on the very top, as you can see, you do have Fortnite right here. Go ahead and click on install here, right here. You're going to get this pop-up, very similar to the previous one. Just go ahead and click on install app and verify with your Face ID. And there you go, it is now downloading. And when you go into the app, it might also tell you that you need to download some updates. So just go ahead and do that and you can go ahead and play Fortnite on your iOS device.